Welcome back. Brian Kester here at the Greenlee Training Center in Rockford, Illinois. Today's electrical shorts is how do you change the tape inside of our fish tapes. Let's talk about the new REEL-X fish tapes. The new REEL-X fish tapes you'll see does not have a handle. They have an internal external component so that it feeds faster and easier with a lot less force. There's a lock on the side of the case to keep the tape from coming out. You'll also notice there's a feed port in the top and also on the front face. 4 screws to remove that. I'll show you where those are. Here are those 4 screws inside that case. Handheld screwdriver, power driver, your choice. Just don't strip the case out. Remove all 4 screws. Take the top of the case off. Pull the cartridge out, and you're going to notice that the fish tape will feed through the hole in the front or the top of the fish tape. Remove the one, bring back the new. You'll see here, the fish tape does need to go through the hole in the case and go below that support. Wind up the tape as best as possible so that you're not working with a bunch of loose tape. Feed it through the hole. Drop the case in. Line up your screws, look down inside here, line them up, and you're good to go. Quick look at that instruction manual. There's a page in there that shows you just how to do what we have completed here. Thanks for being here. Catch us for some more electrical shorts here in the future.